I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. In this video, we are doing a flip through of the 2020 Happy Planner Pastel Dreams. It is a classic size Happy Planner with a horizontal layout. Let's check it out. Okay, on Pastel Dreams, the first thing I noticed is that there is a little bit of silver foil. You can see kind of outlining the words on the front. Let's go ahead and take this cover page thing off. This is a 12-month classic size horizontal layout Happy Planner. It starts in January. Get that goo off of there. Okay, I purchased this one online from the Happy Planner. I'm a little disappointed that the corner is kind of broken, and I'm gonna try MAMBI's customer service and see if they'll replace that for me. All right, so the cover is like a gray. It is not black, it is gray, and it says 2020 will be great, amazing, wonderful, awesome, colorful, magical, and happy. Let's check out the inside. So the colors in this planner are pastel colors from light pink, like an orchid, orange, what would you call this color? Mint and more mint, different shades. Maybe a light teal. All right, let's open it up. I use the horizontal Happy Planner for a daily journal. I just write and fill up the entire writing space every day as a journal. Oh, stuck to that sticky stuff again. And the reason why I like this planner is because it's very colorful, and I'll show you what I mean on the inside. So here's your year at a glance. It has white writing, little tiny numbers for the year 2020 and 2021. And it's like a pretty pastel ombre there. Here's your Perpetual Calendar for January, February, for the first 6 months. And then the second 6 months of the year. The weekends are shaded. I love this for tracking social media. I don't know what I'll do how I'll use it in the horizontal, but I love that, and I'm so glad they've added that into the 2020 planners this year. Let's see, here's your currently page. It has a big notes section, which I love. I don't really use the currently page right now, but I do have one idea of something fun that you can do on your currently page. And everyone uses theirs different. It's not a big part of my planning. All right, this has the silver foil. It says, hello, new year. The dots are silver foil also. You see that? Very pretty. Okay, your month overview page is shaded around the dates. So all the dates are white, and then all the shading is around the edges. Again, I won't use this page much for a journal, but if you're using this planner as your general planner, that's a page you will use probably a lot. Okay, so now we're getting into the weekly. And the thing about the weekly that you may want to note is that the colored lines are the same on every day and every week the whole year. So let's look closely so you can see what I mean. So all the Mondays are that orangish color or peach color. Tuesdays like the melon color. Wednesday's lavender, Thursday's mint, Friday is the peach, melon, lavender, mint, and that is the same for all the weeks the entire year. So if you get bored with colors and you want to change it up, this might not be the right planner for you, but if you want it colorful and you love these colors, this planner's for you. Now the center, I didn't notice this before because I actually haven't opened it yet. This has peach, like a little peach polka dot on the center column. That's really cute. So that may be different from month to month. Let's check it out and see. So we'll just go ahead and flip through January, but don't worry, I'm not going to skip anything. So it does have a little bit of decoration down here on the corner. Let's check these corners again. So this one says do all the things with a little checklist. So does that one, and so does that one, and then one week is different. This one has like a little rainbow down there and some dot grid paper. And this one's back to do all the things. So it looks like they have kind of one special week. You can find the Pastel Dreams planner in stores at Michael's coming soon this fall. Or right now you can order it online from the Happy Planner at shop.meandmybigideas.com. All right, February is like this color. Don't quit your daydream. That's pretty. Yeah, this like yellowish color. And the center is different. So this has like a little grid pattern. So that's where they change it up each month, is in the center. Again, do all the things. So let's flip through, do all the things, do all the things. And then this page is different. It says radiate positive vibes with a little dot grid here. So that's how they're changing up each month. All right, here's March, has this nice pretty light mint, outdream yourself. Here's the monthly mint. Again, the weeks, so it looks like that do all the things is on all the weeks except that one highlight week each month. This one says happy plans, and March has this green kind of stripe on it. April looks like lavender for April. Kind people are my kind of people. This background is gray, kind of the same color as the cover. Lavender on the monthly, and like a lavender polka dot in the center during the weeks. So cute. Be you bravely. So that's the different corner there in April. Okay, May is this peachy pink color. Hello, good times. Peachy pink for the monthly overview page. And the pinky peach polka dots. Wow, that's enough. Pinky peach polka dots. Be filled with wonder. All right, June. Oh, this is cute. This has gold foil. These rainbows in this June here. So it's not just silver. And it looks like June's going to be yellow. Let's see. So June is this yellow color with that yellow grid in the center. Let's look at our special page back here. Fun times ahead. A square. July is mint. Oh, this has like a little mint foil. That's pretty. So your mint monthly overview, mint center stripe, and the special page says be your own kind of beautiful. August, lavender, your limited edition. That's gray background. Lavender monthly overview, lavender polka dot center, and beautiful dreamer. September, that's pretty. It's that pretty rainbow. Looks like the pinky peach color. Pinky peach polka dots. And positive mind, positive life with the dot grid. Okay, more rainbows. Be kinder to yourself, and then let your kindness flood the world. This month is yellow for October. Let's look at our special week. Do what makes your soul shine. November, ooh, that's pretty. And this is back to the silver foil. So silver foil on November. Looks like mint will be our color, mint green. It's mint green in the center. Craft your life from daydreams. That's cute. Then December is lavender, radiate positive vibes. That's gray polka dots. It does not have foil. Lavender here. Do all the things. Lavender polka dots in the center. Our special page says beautiful minds inspire others. Let's look at the back. The back is a blank page lined lavender. What does it say? Just some thoughts. Matching inside back cover. Wow, this is messed up here too. This whole planner is pretty, can you see that? It looks like somebody slid it across the floor. And I've literally just taken it directly out of the box and set it on this desk. So yeah, this one looks kind of beat up for a brand new planner. All right, anyway, back to the back cover. Let's take this off. I want to see what it looks like underneath. If it's just solid gray. Oh, it has a little rainbow. That's cute. Oh man, that glue is industrial strength. There. Okay, it says create your own sunshine. That is cute. So that is our horizontal Pastel Dreams 2020 Happy Planner. It's really cute. Leave a comment and tell me how you use your horizontal planner. Do you use it for your daily planner or do you use it for something else? Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.